Hey guys. Look, it's the lions.
Oh yeah. It looks so cool.
Hello. This is Crimson speaking. How can I help you?
Hey boss, how was it going?
It's going good, my man. How about yours?
It's going great, boss. And what are you going to do for our next mission?
Your next mission is that. I want you to go to Africa to capture the animals and bring them here in New York City. You got that?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. You got 10 days until you capture animals in Africa. And if you don't, your head is going to be mounted on the wall is what's going to happen. Don't you understand?
Yes, boss. We will.
Good, I will see you in 10 days. Goodbye. Well, hello, Gary. Nice to see you. I hope today is the day is that my henchmen are going to Africa to capture the animals there. Like I hope so. Ha 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 ha.
Hey Dad,
What, Leo?
do you think Sergei is going to come back for us since he's dead?
No, Leo. Sergei will never come back to us. Because he's been dead for a year since then. And I hope that the outer poachers don't capture us again like Sergei again. Since a year ago.
Oh, okay. I see.
Oh no! Not this again.
Hang on, Simba and Leo. We are coming. Ow.
Ow.
Cash. Go ahead, take the animals to the truck. And I will call my boss Crimson, okay?
Okay, Striker.
Hello, Striker.
Hey Crimson. Just to let you know that we all captured all the animals in Africa.
Oh, good. And also, I want you to go to Antarctica to capture all the animals there also. You got it.
Yes, I got it, Crimson. We will capture the animals there in Antarctica.
Well, good. I will see you in a few days. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Striker.
Hey Crimson. Just to let you know that we all captured the animals in Antarctica. What are we going to deal with them?
Well, come back to New York City and we will show you what to deal with them, okay? I will see you in 5 days. Bye.
Bye.
Hey Dad, when are we going to get out these boxes? We have been in those boxes for like a few days, but we don't know how to get out here.
I don't know, son. We just got wait and find out about it, okay?
Well, maybe it's just because we just heard about the man what he was saying outside that we are going to New York City because I think it's a zoo that we are going, I think.
Oh, you think? But what you are guys doing up there? And what are you guys?
Well, we are the penguins. We are from Antarctica. And my name is Squeak.
And my name is Pebble. But you can call me Pebbles. And what are you guys from?
We came from Africa. And I am a lion and my name is Simba and my son over there is a cub who is named Leo.
And I am also a gorilla and my name is Bernard. And I have a son named Ivan right next to me.
Oh, okay. Well, it's nice to meet you all, Simba and Bernard and Leo and Ivan. We will have to wait until we get to New York City because New York City is so far away from here. Actually.
Okay then. Let's wait for a few days to get to New York City.
Well, looks like we made it to New York City.
Yeah. It feels like it. When we are here in this city. What is that?
Alright, everything is all set up. You can lift up the boxes to the dock right now to the ground.
Alright, let's bring the boxes to the truck. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome, Stryker. You have a great day.
You too, sir. Goodbye.
Thank you and goodbye.
Hey Crimson. Just to let you know that we are on our way to our place like you said, right?
Right. I will see you in a little bit. Bye.
Bye Crimson.
Undead, what are we going?
I think he said that we are going to his lair somewhere in New York City.
I think so. But let's see what happens next.
And I think we stopped, because we are here, I still think.
Hey Stryker. Take those boxes inside of that building.
Okay Crimson.
Alright. Everything is all set and ready to go. Let's bring the boxes inside of the building. There we go. Everything is all set up and everything is in the cages. And Stryker, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Crimson.
Let's go and we will plan this out for the animals.
Well, looks like we are here in this lair. And how are going to get out?
Well, we will have to think of a plan. When we should get out.
Well, this is a long day for me today. I think I should take a nap and give it a rest.
Hey guys, I got an idea.
What is your idea?
My idea is, we are going to break this cage door. And we are going to find Crimson and fight him. And we will find a car to get out of here. And we will find a dock in New York City to get on the boat. And we will go back home.
Well, that's kind of a good idea. But there is a blue snake which is named Gary, who was around here watching us this whole time.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. We should fight Gary the snake once we get out of this cage. Let's do this.
Thank you, Squeak.
Thank you, Squeak.
And thank you, Pebbles.
And also thank you, Pebbles.
And you're welcome, you guys. Let's get out of here.
What the heck? Get back in your cages.
Guys, run. We will take care of this.
What the heck? Stryker, get the car.
Yeah, we did it. We are finally going home. But first, we need to get to the dock and get on the ship.
Unsqueak. There is a car behind us. Oh no. It's Striker. Step on it. Oh no you don't. Oh no. Striker shot the wheel. We are going to crash.
You animals. Get out of the car right now. You animals are not going anywhere. We had enough. This ends now. Sir. Drop the gun now. Put your hands in the air and don't move.
So Crimson and Striker, explain to us. Why are the animals here in this New York City? Tell us the truth right now, or else both of you going to jail for life.
Actually, officers, I was the one who planned this out to let Striker capture the animals in Africa and Antarctica to bring the animals here in this New York City. And we were going to put the animals on the black market as we were going to. And the animals got away from us and Striker shot the tire of the wheel as we were going to stop them. And me and Striker tried to kill the animals for revenge for what they did to us back at the building over there. And that is all I have to say.
Well then. Is there anyone there at the building you were at?
Yes. There is plenty of people at that building.
Okay then. Crimson and Striker. You both are under arrest for poaching the animals in Africa and Antarctica. And for smuggling the animals in United States, and for attempting to put the animals on the market. And for property destruction of a truck. And for attempting to kill the animals. And both of you don't have to say anything, or we'll have to against you both in the court of law. Let's go to the police car now. Calling all officers. We need to send an animal control to put the animals in the truck. And the animals controls can put the animals in the boat, and the animals get sent back to where they belong. Are you guys up for this?
Okay, Officer Jerry. We will send out an animal control to get the animals on the truck. And send the animals to the boat tomorrow.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, Officer Jerry.
We got some breaking news. Crimson and Striker captured the animals in Africa and Antarctica and brought the animals in New York City so that Crimson and Striker can put the animals on the black market, and the animals got away from the building near New York City and crashed a car in New York City, and the officers arrested Crimson and Striker for their crimes. And the animal control took the animals in New York City and bring the animals to the ship until the next day to send the animals back where they belong. That's news for today.
Woohoo! We are finally going home to our family. Right, son?
Yeah, Dad. I am so excited to go home and finally see my mom there at home.
Right, Leo? I miss your mom, and we are finally going home.
I miss my wife too, Simba. And Pebbles and Squeak. I want to thank you for bailing us out of those cages back there in New York City.
You're welcome, Bernard. I am excited to go back to Antarctica, to our home.
And Dad, I am scared.
It's okay, son. I am going to protect you. As possible that I can be.
Well then. You guys know that if we fall off of this ship, then it's time to say goodbye to all of you. Goodbye, Simba and Leo. And goodbye, Ivan and Bernard. It was nice meeting for you all and for having fun together for all of us. Goodbye.
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 Ivan! Bernard! Are you guys okay?
Yes, Simba. I am okay, and so is Ivan. Wait. Where are the penguins?
I think they are not here, Bernard. I think the penguins went back to Antarctica. I think we're back in Africa. Let's go home.
Yo, Jack.
What, Andrew?
There is a box in the ocean. And I don't know why is it there, but let's get the box in the boat. Well, let's open it. Oh wow. There are penguins in this box. Let's keep the penguins in box until we find an island for penguins. I say.
Great idea, Andrew.
Don't worry, you guys. We will take you home soon as possible. Don't worry.
Yes. We made it back home, my boy. Am I right, my brother?
Right, Squeak. We made it.
Excuse me, monkey. Is this Africa? Because we came from New York City where we got captured from here and we made it here to this island like I was wondering.
Well, this is Africa. But where are you guys going to?
Well, we're trying to go to the grasslands because this is our home.
Okay then. Come with me and we will take you guys.
Where are we going?
You will find out.
Wait a minute. I just remembered something. You were the monkey that tried to kill us.
That's right. King, we got them.
Well, hello there, Simba and Bernard. Nice to see you again.
No! Not you again. Leo! Run.
Same with you, Ivan. Run.
All of you monkeys, kill the animals. I'm going after that lion and that gorilla. Ha ha ha. You guys are not getting away that time.
Leo, I got an idea.
What's your idea?
Why don't you run back to your dad and my dad to save them? And I will climb up tree to get rid of that king.
Okay, Ivan. You got it.
Hey, get back here, you lion. You know what, forget it. I'm going to get that gorilla as possible that I can be.
Well, that should be taken care of. Leo! Are you okay? Where's Ivan?
Yeah, I'm okay. Ivan is back there and he is climbing on that tree to try to get rid of that monkey king.
Okay then. Let's go and save my son Ivan from that tree.
Ha 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 ha. You're trapped now, kid. What are you going to do about it, huh?
What am I going to do about it? How about this? Take this.
Ivan, are you okay?
Yeah, Dad, I am okay.
Thu, I am glad that you were safe from falling from that tree. Since the Monkey King is gone, let's go home.
Bernard and Ivan. Where were you all been all those weeks? And what happened?
Well, Zara, we all had been captured by the mafias and we got sent to New York City. And we got out of there and we made it into the ship to go to Africa. And we bumped into the Monkey King and Ivan killed the Monkey King and we made it home now.
Oh, okay. I thought that you and Ivan left me again just like last year, like you saved Ivan from getting captured by Sergei from killing Ivan.
Well, right, Zara. But I will always be here for you as always. Okay. Zara, I still love you.
I love you too, Bernard.
Simba. Where were you all those weeks?
Well, Nina, we had been captured by the mafias. And we got sent to New York City. And we got out of the mafia's lair to get to the ship, and we made it to Africa. And we bumped into the Monkey King, and Ivan killed the Monkey King. And we made it back home now.
Oh, okay then. I was so worried that you were gone for a past couple weeks. Thank you for telling me, Simba. And Simba, I love you.
I love you too, Nina.
Hey Dad,
What, Eva?
can I go outside with my mom?
Of course, sweetie. I can go outside with you.
All right then. You and your mom can go outside with her. Having fun going outside. Because I will be staying here and having break, okay?
Okay. Bye, Dad.
Goodbye, Eva. And goodbye, Luna.
Goodbye, Leo.
Dear Grandma and Grandpa, I hope you are all doing all right up there in heaven. I love you both so much.
Hey Mufasa,
What, Kira?
did you hear what Leo said to us?
What?
He said we are doing great up there in heaven. Let's talk back to Leo and say we are doing great up there in heaven.
Okay, we are doing great up there, Leo. Love you too.
Love you too.
Well, that's good to hear, Grandma and Grandpa. Bye.
I saw her standing in the street alone. Her head was down, face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I taught her how to look into my eyes and never let it go.